worked in Pakistan for 1.5 years, and I find Pakistani people are so friendly and full of hospitality. I'm very happy to work here, especially work with China window, and Today is the first time I visit News. Find this a very talented team and full of energy and power. I hope in the future we can have more cooperation, organize a lot of events, and let Pakistani people know more about China, know culture of China. I hope Pakistani people will like China. Find Pakistani people and Chinese people have very brave and hardworking in common, and both nations want to keep the peace for the world. The traditional friendship between the two nations will fit us together, and we will work together to make the whole world more beautiful and more peaceful. I like Pakistani food, especially the barbecue. This year is the 75th anniversary of the diplomatic ties between China and Pakistan, and both governments have organized lots of events to celebrate, and I think this will enhance the friendship between China and Pakistan, and both our two nations will have a more bright future.